guys, today I want to show you this very cool speaker combo set. So you get two speakers, but what's unique about these speakers is they have RGB lights on the inside, as you guys can see. They're very loud, and they have this magnetic ring built into the back. So these will fit on most iPhone 12, 13, 14, and 15. The magnetic ring will also fit on your fridge, so click onto it, and they're very loud. So inside the box, this is the box that you came in. USB-A to USB-C chargers. You get a double charger, and you get some rings, so you can set these up with any phone or any wall that you want to put the magnet in. These will stick on. So I have an iPhone, and this literally fits right in the back on my iPhone. So let me play some music for you guys. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore. The speakers have different light shows, so you can change the light shows or turn off the lights if you want to. Since they're connected together, the light show will change at the same time as long as we press this button on the side of the speaker. You can use the speakers individually, or you can use them together. If you want to use them together, you want to double tap the button before you pair them to your Bluetooth, and that's how you would set this up. And then once you're ready to use that as a stand, you can literally just grab your phone, and it'll become a stand like that. So very easy to use, very cool speakers, and they'll stick onto any magnetic surface. So these things are powerful for the size. So we really hope this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching.